Today I'm going to use nacho cheese Doritos to make a really delicious dinner. I need about half a bag of Doritos, and I like to transfer those to a zip top bag and crush them up. First I use my hands. It just gives you a little bit more control when they're all big, but once you get them a little bit crushed, a rolling pin is your best friend here. Just roll them, turn the bag a few times, and keep rolling until they're nice and evenly crushed up. Then transfer them to a shallow bowl. Use another shallow bowl and beat an egg. This next part is probably optional, but I really like to remove the tendon from the tenderloin. To do this, I kind of scrape away a little bit with a knife to get a tail on that tendon. Grab it with a dry paper towel and then place it in between the tines of a fork, and then pull against each other, and the tendon will come right out of there, and you have a nice, perfectly tender piece of meat. Line those chicken tenders up on a plate and sprinkle them with some garlic powder. I like to turn them over and sprinkle the other side so we have equal representation on both sides. And then we're ready to do our coating. First, start with the egg wash. Just dip it in the egg wash, let it drain a little bit, and transfer it over to those crushed Doritos. Then turn it over in that bowl to kind of get the tender coated. I do like to use my hands and encourage those crushed Doritos to stick because I really want that crunchy coating in every bite. Transfer that to a plate and then repeat with the rest of your tenders. And as you will see, we have a delicious plate ready to be cooked. Transfer these to your air fryer basket. If you have a smaller basket than mine, you might need to do these in batches, but it is worth it. I do like a little bit of room in between the tenders because the air circulation helps them really crisp up, and that's the most delightful part of this coating. We're going to put these in the air fryer and cook them on air fry for 15 minutes at 380 degrees. And you can see these are lightly golden brown and look super crunchy, crisp, and delicious. However, I do like to verify with a meat thermometer. Chicken, when cooked, should be at least 165 degrees internally, and you can see these are over that amount, so we're in good shape here. I just like to transfer them to a plate and then serve. Get out some dipping sauces, barbecue sauce, ranch dressing, whatever you like to dip your chicken tenders in. It's all delightful. I hope you give this a try because if you do, you will love it.